This is Apollo. A super intelligent machine interacting with surroundings and helping workers with their tasks. Built to navigate in human environments, it supports the team. Some jobs demand strength, precision, and endurance. Apollo steps in where it's needed most, lifting, assembling, and handling the repetitive work. Apollo is designed to augment and support people. It enhances human capabilities, taking on the heavy work so teams can focus on what really matters. For over a century, machines helped us to build, taking on physically demanding and repetitive tasks.
Am I hanging on too tight?
Now, we're moving production forward, a human-centered approach. Not just by making machines more powerful, but empowering our people. To stay ahead in a changing world, production must be smart and adaptive. AI keeps workflows running smoothly, prevents problems before they happen, and makes work seamless. Beyond efficiency, production must manage complexity, ensure the highest quality, and evolve as fast as the cars we build. At Mercedes-Benz, progress starts with people. We give our workforce the skills and technology to stay ahead, using machines to amplify human expertise and drive innovation.